Alright guys, check it out. As y'all can see here, we have the TPOB GO Shaver. So y'all know what this is, man. I already did an unboxing on this shaver. If you haven't seen that, I'll make sure to put the link down in the description and on the screen for y'all, so y'all can make sure to check that out. But in this video, we actually gonna be talking about how I think this thing works, the pros, the cons, you know, basically a review, right? So with that being said, let's go ahead and jump into this video.
Of my brother. Fucking Paul would call me and ask me questions. You saying had time to go to the gym or what? Nah, you can't go now. You gotta go early. It's too hard to go now.
Alright man, so like I said, we're going to be doing a review on the TPOB GO Shaver. If y'all new to the channel, hit that like button one time for the one time. If you like the content, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy, you know what I'm saying? But like I was saying, man, we have the TPOB GO Shaver. Got it in probably about a month ago or so, and I've been using it for the past couple weeks. And I got to say, I'm actually really impressed with the way this thing works and feels. Like, check this shaver out right here. As y'all can see, we do have like some rubber grips right here. I said it in the unboxing video, but I wanted to talk about these rubber grips on the shaver because it really makes the shaver a lot more comfortable and a lot more ergonomic in hand, right? Now, some people are gonna sit here and say, bro, that's not a big deal, it's not a big issue. Now, trust me, I get it, it's not. Like, I can use this shaver without the thumb grips, you know what I'm saying? Without the rubberized grip on there. But that just helps make it a little more comfortable, and it makes me want to use it a little more, right? As far as performance, I believe we got 10,000 RPMs on here. Let me check real quick. Yeah, so checking the box, we do have 10,000 RPM motor, so we do got some good power coming from the motor. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on for y'all in case you haven't heard it. So as y'all can hear, sounds good, and like I said, performance-wise, it performs well. I've been using it, like I said, for about 2-3 weeks or so, and it gets the job done. I know I say that about a lot of shavers, and I gotta be perfectly honest with y'all. A lot of shavers do work good, especially fresh out the box. Fresh out the box, this thing was, you know, just eating through the hair easy, right? Obviously, the more you use it, the more these foils are gonna dull down, the harder it's gonna be, and it's not gonna be as efficient. However, like I said, I've been using this for a little while, and it's still working good. Not to say that it's not gonna get a little more dull, you know, a little duller and not work as good. I'm just saying, as far as now, 2-3 weeks in, it's still working good and it's still doing what I need it to do. I do like that it comes with a charging dock, as y'all can see here. So you can just place this on the charging dock whenever you're not using it. It does have USB-C charging as well. So as y'all can see, the bottom does come with USB-C charging. So if you don't want to leave it on the dock, if you just have a USB-C charger on your station, you can just plug that in. So I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I got a lot of tools on my station right now, you know, trying different things out, keeping a couple of them in rotation. So I have docks for most of my clippers, but there's a couple of them that I just charge with the USB-C because I don't know if I'm gonna keep them on my station, right? So I like that it comes with USB-C just in case I really don't want to keep it on my station long term. I can just charge it on the USB-C cord and it's gonna work. So a lot of people have also been asking me, what shaver would I really compare this to when it comes to performance? You know, like how good it performs. Does it perform as good as the Babyliss shavers? Is it more like an Andis shaver or wall shaver? And I would say, honestly, it's different, but I would compare it more to a Babyliss shaver, right? Like I'm gonna be 100% honest with y'all. I think the Babyliss shavers are probably, you know, one of the best shavers in the game. You know, right now my go-to shaver is actually the XC shaver, but for the longest, The Babyliss shavers were my go-to shavers for the longest. And I think this one's up there with not just the Babyliss shaver, but also with the Gamma XC shaver and along with the other top tier shavers, right? So all in all, man, this is a great shaver. It is a top tier shaver, very professional, works good. You can use it over and over again, use it on different clients. You know, 4-hour runtime, so it's gonna last you almost all day. It should last you all day because ain't no way you keep keeping this on for 4 hours continuously, especially if you just bought it out some clients. You know what I'm saying? Like, ain't no reason why it should be on for 4 hours, you know, throughout the day. But like I said, you get a 4-hour runtime, and I think it's 2 hours to charge it. So that's a good ratio, right? And performance, like I said, it's up there with the other top tier shavers. You know, it's up there with the Babyliss, up there with the Gamma, up there with the Andis, up there with all the good shavers, right? So all in all, man, shout out to TPOB for the TPOB Go Shaver. Now, I know y'all probably want me to do an unboxing and a review on the Go Clipper. Unfortunately, I haven't got those in. I did send a message to TPOB, told him that I was needing it, and he said those were limited. So when he gets some more in, he's gonna shoot one my way. So y'all just stay tuned, man. And once again, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please make sure to subscribe one time for the one time. Turn that post notification on. That way y'all know every time I drop a video, because you know it's gonna be a banger, right? But we got the TPOB Go Clipper. I had to think about it because I was gonna say shaver and then trimmer, but the TPOB Clipper hopefully coming in soon. And you know, TPOB has some more tools coming out, so hopefully I get those as well. That way I can do those reviews for y'all. Now, if you do want to order anything off his website, you can go to thepissedoffbarber.com, and I think once you go there, you have two options. You have the UK site and you have the USA site. Whatever site you go to, my discount code is TANK. So if you're on the UK website, you know, you can use my discount code TANK. If you're on the USA website, you can also use my discount code TANK on those websites to save yourself a little bit of money upon purchasing any tool off of those websites. So once again, the TPOB Go Shaver, all in all, great tool. Really enjoy using it. Think it works great. Comes with a nice charging dock. This does light up when it's plugged in. So you get all the bells and whistles with this shaver. But with that being said, man, that's basically it for this video. If you like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.